Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at the one of the newer features that we've added to our platform. It's a cleaning business module, I guess. It's software that would run an actual cleaning business designed for businesses that do housekeeping services. Okay, so you can see my phone here. This is showing what the customer would see, the mobile view, as well as the back office. I will take you quickly through the mobile view first and quickly look at the back office. So you can see down here you have got, I've already started putting some stuff in my queue, but it basically asks you some qualifying questions. So like, how big is your home? 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms. So let's say my home's 4 bedrooms. We have 4 bathrooms. We've got extra services. Now you can add as many of these kinds of things as you want that are not regularly included. So these can be, for example, if you charge $100 to clean a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, but doesn't include carpet cleaning or oven cleaning or window cleaning, these can all be surcharges. So if I select carpet cleaning, for example, it's adding half an hour, and there's a price that would be added for that. Oven cleaning, same deal. And these are all manageable things that you can add or not. So we'll take this off. Do you have all the necessary cleaning chemicals? Again, you can, if they have all the cleaning chemicals, then you can charge them a cheaper price. If they don't, then you can charge them a higher price. So I'm going to say no, we will provide all necessary cleaning materials for an extra $75. Again, these things are all manageable. So this is just for demonstration. I hit the continue button and you'll see a little summary here. This is what the price would be and how often do you want cleaning services done. So I could say only once a week. I can pick the first date for my cleaning service. I could say, let's say it's Monday here. When I've got some options, either morning, noon, or afternoon. Now these are not booked times, like for example 9 a.m. or 10 p.m. This will give you, as a cleaning business, an understanding of what time the customer wants the job done, and you can slot them in wherever you need. Okay, so I'll put morning, hit continue, and down here you'll see again the summary. Your name and address will all be populated here, pulling from your profile, and is somebody at home? Yes, again, some information. You can hide the key, you can put some comments there, someone will be home, and then you can select your payment method and agree to your terms and conditions, and that's it. Hit confirm, and you will get that confirmation in the back office here. Okay, I'm not going to make a confirmation because I've got to pay. So this is the overview of the back office. You've got your dashboard, you've got your inquiries. So these are all the different inquiries that you can see. You've got your different clients you can see here. Again, each client, you can click on the link there and you'll see all the different bookings they've got. You've got your services and prices. So this is where I would add my per dollar hour cleaning materials price, how many bedrooms. I can add more bedrooms if I wanted to, time per bedroom. And then down here you've got your extra services like carpet cleaning, oven cleaning. You hit the add extra, give it a name, choose an icon, how much time you need to do it, and that's it. That's what that looks like. You've got your options where you can set up your date and time format, your time zone, first day of the week, your inquiries here, what kind of information you will need here is your currency. Obviously, if you're going to take a deposit for a booking or not, you can enable or disable payments, what your tax rate is. How many days in advance can people request a service? All inquiries that are not paid will be treated as pending. Your basic stuff. This is pretty self-explanatory. Notifications can be set up here as well. When you get a new inquiry, the administrators will get an email. Customers will get an email, and you can customize your emails. Here, all of the placeholders are right up here. You can copy and paste these placeholders into the body of the email. What else we've got here? And that's it. Your print template. If you want to print, send something to your printer, an inquiry form, and this is the form that you can have on the booking page, and your terms and conditions. So it's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.